The Condor First Response Pouch was designed as a mountable, workaway quick deployment and a personal aid kit for soldiers and operators in the field. To get started, this pouch can either be mounted horizontally or vertically on the back MOLLE platform. You can just remove this 6 inches MOD straps, insert it through your MOLLE platform, and by the way, 2 of these are included in your purchase. Just like this, and you can secure this. And you're good to go. On the top is a Velcro panel for add-on utilities. You can customize this pouch to your liking. It is secured with a loop-lined surface buckle here on the front for quick access and closure without hassle. Let's see that. Indeed, that was pretty quick. But not only that, it is supported by a secured, closed hook and loop fastener. This strap right here, this is called the ripaway handle. This is a great feature since it enables you to utilize a pouch. You can easily detach the pouch for the best access and increased mobility, or easy transfer to another medic use, and for carrying it around comfortably. Let's see the inside of this pouch. Inside, it has one pocket and a couple of elastic securement straps that will help you keep your valuable accessories organized and secured. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, if you want a versatile pouch that will keep your items secured and easily accessible, this is a great pouch to get started. Order your first response pouch now, and a link will be in our description box below.